Okay, we're all done with our pennies and our nickels and our dimes, and we're ready to do the quarters. And this is going to go really fast. Did you notice that the pennies took a really long time to get to $1, didn't they? Because they were only worth 1 cent a piece, and they had to get all the way to 100. The nickels were a little bit faster because you could count by fives. And the dimes were a lot faster because you could count by tens. Now we're going to count by 25s. I know that sounds really hard, doesn't it? But it's really, really easy. So what I need you to do is take your whiteboard, and I want you to make a great big square on your whiteboard like this, okay? Doesn't have to be perfect, just a nice big square. And then we're going to cut that in half with a vertical line. So now we have 2 halves, and they don't have to be perfect, it's okay if they're not. And then we're going to make a horizontal line go through the middle. So now we have a board that has 4 spots in it, okay? Do you know why I chose 4 spots? Because when you count by 25s, you only need 4 spots. You only need a 4 frame to get to 100. So we're going to take our coins here, our quarters, and we're going to dump them out on the table. And we are going to start laying our quarters on each of the squares. When we get a quarter on each square, that's already $1. So watch. 25, 50, 75, $1. That's 100. So we're going to dump those in to our bowl. Oh, get back here. And then we're going to go to our green dollar bank, and we're going to circle $1. I told you this would go fast. You already have 100 cents. Okay, let's try again. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 quarters, and that makes $1. Or 25, 50, 75, 100. So now I'm going to dump those in. And I'm going to mark off another $1 on my green bank sheet. Now I have $2. Now I have 2 coins left. Maybe I can get a close-up of this. Can I get a close-up of this? So this is actually, is that a quarter? That is not a quarter, is it? It doesn't have a heads and tails side. It is actually a little guardian angel coin. It's not worth any money, but it is a little reminder that you can keep in your pocket. And it just reminds you that you've got a guardian angel with you all the time that helps to keep you safe and take care of you. So that's kind of a nice little thing. But it does kind of look like a quarter, so be careful. Don't take this and try and buy something at the store, because they'll just look at you and say, what? Okay, so let's go ahead. I have 1 quarter left. So I have 25 cents. And I'm going to dump that in. And I'm going to write on my little piece of paper. If I can find my little piece of paper. Okay, Mrs. Gorman, you should have been more organized. All right, here's my little piece of paper. And I had $2. So 2 whole dollars. I put my little decimal point there. And then, do you remember I said I had 1 quarter? How much is a quarter? 25 cents. I'm going to write down 25. So far it looks like this. Am I done writing my amount? I'm forgetting something. I'm forgetting my dollar sign. My dollar sign is that S with 2 vertical lines, and now it says $2.25. Okay, so now you are ready to erase your board. go ahead and write your 225 or whatever your number is. Show me in base 10 blocks and send me a picture with your bag of quarters and this, and then I will take all of our money tonight and I will try to add it all together and see how much we raised as a class. And then tomorrow we will learn how to actually add together all of our little pieces of paper, okay? So don't lose your pieces of paper and don't lose your money bags yet. And we will finish this up tomorrow. All right, good job today. See you later.